Scouting is a very important and crucial part of any first competition. The goal of scouting is to gather information about every team for strategic purposes. You will be provided with a Google form that has all of the different information we can ask a team about their robot. Remember, like just we are interviewing a team and evaluating our compatibility with them, they are also doing the same to us. We are essentially advertising ourselves when scouting. At the top of the form, you will see a diagram and summary of this year's game, Deep Space. It is a good resource to refer to when talking to a team about the capabilities of their robot. The first question asks which team you will be interviewing. At the competition, I will give each scouting group a section of pits to scout. The next question asks about the drivetrain type. This is where you can write down if it is direct drive, how many wheels it has, and what type of wheels it has. Next, the form asks about the speed of the robot. Most teams will just want to say that their robot is fast, but you can explain how slower and more accurate robots are more valuable as well, and that any option is valuable for us. We simply just want the information. The third question is about their base strategy. The vast majority of teams are offensive, but some teams take the approach of having a pushbot or pizza box robot that is very fast and sturdy and can push the other robots around. These robots are not necessarily great examples of gracious professionalism, but can prove useful in certain alliance combinations. The next four questions are about cargo and hatch scoring. Most teams have focused on scoring cargo since it is worth more than hatches. Simply mark which goals they can score in. The eighth question asks the team what their strategy is for the sandstorm. The vast majority of teams do not have an autonomous and only use a camera. If they do have an autonomous, please describe it in the Other field. The HAB climb level is another good thing to know about a team. Mark the top HAB climb level the team can reach. The testing time question asks how much time a team has had to test a robot. Some will say that they have had a few weeks, and some will say that they have only had a few hours. The following question is different from the others, as it is asking teams to point out negative parts of their robot. With the help of gracious professionalism, most teams are very truthful when answering this question. Some will say that they have not had any specific problems with their robot, and that is okay. Of course, at the end, ask the team if they have any additional comments they would like to add about their robot. Just like I said earlier, scouting is a very important and crucial part of any first competition. And just like we are interviewing a team and evaluating our compatibility with them, they are also doing the same to us. We are essentially advertising ourselves when scouting. Let me know if you have any questions.